We have a big breaking news coming in. A major breakthrough may finally be on the table after weeks of relentless missile strikes, military threats, and fears of a wider regional war. The United States and Iran are now reportedly discussing a potential 45-day ceasefire plan, a move that could become the first real step toward ending this war. According to reports from Axios, Washington and Tehran are engaged in intense back-channel negotiations with Pakistan, Egypt, and Turkey leading the diplomatic charge as key mediators. This is phase one of what sources are calling a two-stage peace framework. The proposed first phase involves a 45-day ceasefire during which both sides would pause military action and open formal talks on a permanent settlement. Sources say the ceasefire could be extended beyond 45 days if negotiators need more time. And then comes phase two, the far bigger goal, a comprehensive agreement to permanently end the war between the United States, Israel, and Iran. Now, what makes this development even more significant is who is talking. The talks are not just happening through mediators. Reports say U.S. envoy Steve Witkoff and Iran's foreign minister Abbas Araghchi are also in direct contact through text messages, signaling that despite the public war of words, diplomatic channels remain open behind the scenes between the United States of America and Iran. This comes as the war enters its sixth week. Remember, when the conflict began in late February, President Donald Trump had suggested the campaign might last 4 to 5 weeks, but instead of winding down, the conflict has only escalated. In recent days, US President Donald Trump has issued a stark warning saying the United States could target Iran's power plants and bridges if Tehran refuses to open the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most critical oil shipping lane. Iran, however, has responded defiantly. So what we are seeing is that the war on ground is still very much happening, but behind the scenes there is negotiations going on as per the reports by Axios. What we know so far is that a 45-day ceasefire plan is on the table. Steve Witkoff and Abbas Araghchi are in constant touch. How soon will this war end is yet to be seen. We will keep bringing all the updates to you. Please stay with us for more on this.